What's up, math fans? Today we're doing proving two triangles are congruent using HL. HL, what does it mean? In order for you to understand everything I say in this video, hopefully you've seen or you look for a theme of other videos very similar. One is going to say the same thing, proving two triangles are congruent using, and here's a few other ones you should be familiar with. SSS, SAS, ASA, and AAS. So basically a mixture of all the different letters, S meaning side and A meaning angle. Also, we discussed that ASS doesn't work, that's why it's not on this list. And now you can add HL to the list, and that's the fifth and final explanation for why you can say two triangles are congruent, and I'll show you how to use this in a minute. Another thing you need to know besides those 5 methods of proof is you need to understand Pythagorean Theorem. I did a video on that. And you'll notice all those videos have a common theme, you know, proofs, triangles, right triangles. And also you notice I have a beard in all those videos because I did them in No Shave November. The point of No Shave November was to bring attention to male cancer that affects men, kind of like prostate cancer, etc. So then what's my excuse if No Shave November is over? I don't really have one. It's just my face is cold December. But don't worry, I'll shave soon. All right, so you're familiar with this. You should now be familiar with this special kind of triangle. It's a right triangle. As long as you see this box, you know it's a right triangle, and you should know that the sides, this guy is my leg and this guy is my leg. Opposite the right angle is the hypotenuse, and the sides that form the right angle are the legs. Sides, legs, same thing. All right, so 2 legs, 1 hypotenuse. And then the formula is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And what did you learn from that formula? You should have learned that you can have any 2 sides in a triangle, in a right triangle, and you can figure out the third side. So if you have A and B, you can find C. If you have B and C, you can find A. If you have A and C, you can find B. The point is, if you have any 2 sides, you can find the third side. So this is what I'm trying to say. If I have any 2 sides congruent to any 2 sides of another triangle, and I do the Pythagorean theorem here, I will find the third side, and I will for sure get the same answer over here. So really, that's another version of SSS, which we said earlier was A-OK. SSS, A-OK, all right. So SS is another way of saying SSS only in a right triangle. So to specify it's a right triangle, we instead of saying side, we say hypotenuse. Instead of saying the other side, we say leg. All right? It's got to be hypotenuse leg. It could be leg, and the reason it can be leg is because you'll see a right angle in between those legs, and leg angle leg is the same as side angle side. So they're just different variations of what you already learned. All right? So let's check out hypotenuse leg. How does it work? See my givens, AB, so I put 2 dashes to show you AB is the same or congruent to CD, and guess what? That's going to be my first statement. It generally, whatever you first see should be your first statement. Write what you see. And write why you said it. Well, I saw it, that's why I wrote it. If I saw it, that means it was given. AC, congruent to CE, that's because I saw it. If I saw it, it was given. Now, a lot of people, when they take a test, they instinctively do this, and that's great, but now you actually have to think. Don't just leave it like that, you won't get points. Time to think. I saw it, I wrote it, I even put it in the diagram with my little dashes here. Can I use anything that I've learned? Let me see, what do I have? What do I see? I see an angle, a side, and another side. Notice how I counted this way, not that way, because if I went that way, which is clockwise, I would have angle, side, side, and that's no good. You can't use angle, side, side. So I have to go this way. I said that backwards. If I go this way, which is counterclockwise, I'll have angle, side, side, okay? And I don't want that. And you can't say, oh, but then go the other way and you'll have side, angle, side. Can't do that because when you do side, angle, to get to that side, you're skipping way too much information. You're skipping a side right here. You don't have angle side side. I'm sorry, you don't have side angle side. It's no good. And you can't use angle side side. That's no good. So what do? Can't use angle side side, and it's not side angle side. What do? Notice it's a right triangle. Go to your right triangle memory bank. Oh, I have the hypotenuse and I have the leg. I'm done. Conclusion, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDE because hypotenuse, leg. As long as you understand it, it's quick and easy. Done. Okay, next one, only a little more complicated. I got BC congruent to AD. BC is here. I'll do it in orange if you'd like. BC is here. AD is here. All right, so what I'm gonna do is take this orange triangle and this maroon triangle and try to prove that they're congruent to each other, because that's what you're asking me to do right here. I'm trying to say ABC, which is the maroon one, is congruent to BAD, which is the orange one. Let's see if we have enough information. Well, I'll start the proof as I was trained to do. BC congruent to AD. Guess why? Because it's given. But that's it. There's only one given. That can't be right. How can I work with only one given? That's confusing me. But let me rip off the orange triangle. So here's the orange triangle. I ripped it off, and then let me rotate it also. So this was B, D, A, and then when I rotate it, the D, which is the right angle, is now here. The A reached up here, and the B is over here. Here's my new orange triangle. So BC, we said it was congruent to AD, so I got a leg. I'm looking at right triangles. I wish I had hypotenuse. I wish I could say AB is congruent to the maroon hypotenuse. What's the maroon hypotenuse? Also AB? How is that possible? Oh, I wish I remember this thing. Look at AB. It's in both triangles. If a line segment is in both triangles, that means AB. I can use it twice. It's congruent to itself. Duh. Can't write duh. You gotta write why. Why is something congruent to itself? Called a reflexive property. It's like looking in the mirror. Reflexive. Reflexive. Like a reflection. Alright? Am I done? Let me see. I got hypotenuse, I got leg. I think I'm done. Easier than you thought, huh? What's your conclusion? Right here. What's your reason? That says ABC congruent to BAD. Triangle ABC, BAD. And what's my reason? Hypotenuse, leg. It's easier than you thought. Alright? People just freak out because they don't want to do it step by step. You're always in a rush. Slow down. Alright? Thanks for watching. Any questions, put in the comment section. Like, share, subscribe. See ya.